So, welcome to the session Musings with Software Engineers. My name is Amit. For all those who are new to this channel, mostly I talk about the software industry and all my videos are related to software. So, I started this live because I was getting a lot of questions on my channel. And I thought the best way to answer is when the person asks me a live question to answer that question. If you are interested, then you subscribe to this channel. I'll put a note somewhere. Jones, what salary can I expect after learning Node JavaScript as a fresher in India? See, just Node JavaScript is not a useful tool because it's a backend server, correct? Along with Node JavaScript, you have to become good in full stack, front end, back end, database. Okay, you have to become good in one full stack. If you become good in one full stack, then you are becoming a full stack developer in mean or MERN. Okay, one of them. You become a good full stack developer, then your experience will be counted. And then as a fresher, you can start at a salary range of 4.5 to 5 lakh rupees. Okay, depending on how other things work out. But here is the advice I want to give to all freshers. In the initial years, forget about salary. Forget about your salary. If you want, you stay with your parents. If you want, you ask your parents to support you. Okay, after your engineering or whatever, for few months, not even few years, or keep your expenses low. Okay, if you're in a new city, 3 or 4 people together live together and distribute your cost, and don't worry about salary, worry about what company you are joining. Are you getting a good exposure? Are you getting good projects? Are you able to practice all the programming things that you have learned in college or on certification or whatever? Look at these things. Okay, as a fresher, forget about salary for at least 2 to 3 years. 2 to 3 years. Okay, then once you understand the software industry, what I always say is that first you enter the industry, then learn the game that the software industry is playing. How does it work? How do the projects happen? How do you communicate with your manager? How do you communicate with your colleagues? How does the company give appraisal every year? How start learning the game that the companies are playing, and almost every company is playing the same game. Like cricket will remain cricket across the world, football will remain football across the world, correct? If you play football in one place, you go to another place, still the game will remain same way. In one company, learn everything about how the company, some companies will be good, some companies will be bad, does not matter. You become a person that can grow in any company, then you will never have these challenges that you are thinking about. And forget about your salary. If you can negotiate and get the best salary in the beginning, why not get it? That is fine. But don't get stuck with your salary. Don't imprison yourself because of salary. I see so many software engineers stay at home just because they're not getting the right salary, but they are also not able to progress because when you stay home for even 1 year, after that the company does not look at you. Okay, unless during that time you're doing some certification or doing something else. Okay, so I would say if you are coming out of a, let's say you do a graduation and you are not going to do masters, if you're not going to pursue masters, then immediately look for a job, and the first thing is to get a job in the best possible company. Okay, do whatever is required to be done. Talk to all your friends, talk to references, talk to all your uncles and everybody who can help you get a job in a software company if you are into software. Then work your way into your career, because the breaking into the software industry is the main thing. After that, you will understand how you can go forward, right? So I hope that answers your question, Jones. I would request you all to share my videos as much as possible, whichever video you like, and we can meet again on next Thursday, same time at 9:05 p.m. Bring your friends on this channel and we can have a lot of chat. Thank you for subscribing. Bye. See you.